Hello everyone, this is Kate with Scott Leroy Marketing. Today I want to go over with you guys how to edit a email design template um, for email campaigns. So the first thing we want to do is log into our command account and we want to navigate to designs. Now once we're in the designs applet, we want to click create design in the top right corner. And for this example, we want to focus on email. So we'll go ahead and click that and hit next. Now, as soon as we hit next, we are brought into the different KWRI provided templates. They're going to have different titles, working with me, for sale, open house, featured homes, new year. You can use any of these templates and you can come in and fully customize those. So for example, if you wanted to do the Happy New Year one, but you want to do it for a different holiday, you can use that design and customize that for a different holiday. So let's go ahead and take a look at that one for today. I'm gonna hit next. Now you'll see it has an image, it has some information, it has our information pulling, our header and footer. These items are going to be pulling directly from your marketing profile. So if you need to make changes, you'll want to do that there. Same for down here, all of these details are pulling from that marketing profile. Let's rename this. Let's change this to say Happy Mother's Day, maybe, since that is the next holiday this weekend. Let's say we want to get a Happy Mother's Day photo. Let's just do a quick search. We'll just grab one from here. Just grab this one. I'm going to just save it. And what I want to do is come back. And of course, you want to make sure you're using stock photos or photos that are able to be used. So I'm just grabbing this one for an example. Let's go to replace. And we want to upload our image, okay? So it should be up here in my dropdown. Now we have our photo right here. And go ahead and replace. And there is our photo, okay? Now we can of course link if we want to, we can adjust the padding, all of that good stuff. And then down below we can come and customize what this says. So of course we'd want to edit this to just maybe write a little letter to the mothers. Let's take a look. Oops. See if we can write a quick little. So we're just writing a little letter here. I'm going to go ahead and just take some of this and quickly bring this into my design. We're going to just edit that. And it says, dear moms in our community. I'm going to delete that. We want to really, we want to use our contact's first name instead. So it's going to pull from our contact card in our command and use the actual mom's name. Maybe we have all of our mothers tagged with a tag for mom in command. And if you want to check and make sure that's working, you can use this little preview. When you have a merge tag, you should have a search contact option where you can plug in what that would actually look like when it's sent to the client, okay? And the preview also allows you to view that all of your information in the marketing profile is pulling, as well as down here, and you can make sure everything looks great. Now that we've edited this template, if we're good, we like it, we can go ahead and save it. We can also customize it if we wanted to add something else. Maybe we wanted to add a short little video or something like that. We can certainly customize that. But let's say we're going to just leave this as is. We're going to save and close. And then our design will be right here so that we can easily just pull that into our email campaign, pull all of our moms with their tag and send that out to all of the mothers in our database. So that is how to customize a email design template. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions at all, please reach out to our support email. That is support@scottleroymarketing.com. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you next time.